Ever feel like your Tableau line charts are missing that extra pop, struggling to instantly highlight the areas that truly matter? Today, we're going to learn how to change the color of the line below the average line in Tableau, instantly identifying where your data dips below the crucial mean. First, we create a calculated field, which will be the foundation of our conditional formatting. Click Create Calculated Field, usually found under the Analysis menu. Name your new calculated field something descriptive, like below average. Then, we'll write a formula to identify values below average. Use an if statement if the value of the dimension like sales is less than the average sales, then assign a value, otherwise, assign it a different value. Click OK. Now, you need to add this calculated field to the chart. Drag the below average calculated field to the color shelf on the marks card. This should trigger an immediate color change based on the calculated values. The chart is now split into two colors. This allows us to show what parts of the line chart is below the defined average. You can now customize the colors in the color legend, using what fits your data storytelling best. For example, use red for below average and green for above average. This will immediately highlight the areas falling below the average. And there you have it. You can now visually emphasize the data points that fall below the mean, enhancing your insight discovery and turning data into powerful stories. Remember to experiment with different colors, and you can further format the line's thickness or style to enhance clarity. Happy analyzing!